Europe's been baking and hot and dry weather for most of the week, leading to wildfires breaking out across the continent, particularly in Greece. On the island of Rhodes, homes and hotels were evacuated, with the southeast of the island worst affected. Melina Vasilinovich reports from a relaxing holiday to an apocalyptic nightmare. Evacuation alerts have spread to more areas of Rhodes overnight. As wildfires continue to advance in their droves, tourists and locals have been forced to escape. Thousands have been evacuated from the island, escorted from beaches in the south and taken north. British tourist Ian Morrison and his family were finally evacuated from the southeast of the island in the early hours of this morning. Speaking to Sky News from the crowded boat, he said that after walking 6 km